What about the guy, the husband, the boyfriend, and I'm going to put this on them, who's lied, who's cheated, who's drank behind his girlfriend's back? How does she get that trust back in her husband? How does he get that? She's hurt. She's pissed. She doesn't believe a freaking word that he says. It's like, yeah, whatever. You've said that before. I don't trust you. I don't say whatever you want to say. It's fucking broken. How does that mend?
Unfortunately, I have a lot of men that have done that.
Yes. I think that's it's just the reality.
It's just
for the life that you chose to live.
For the way that they drank, the things that they did, the situation they put themselves in. At some point, as the man, you have to stop apologizing.
Some point, you absolutely have to stop.
The apologizing and the begging for forgiveness is a fucking pussy move.
It's pitiful.
Right?
And no woman...
Any self-respecting, loving of herself woman who got cheated on doesn't want to take you back because you grovel like a bitch.
And you're fucking begging, I'm sorry, would you please? I said it, just fucking man up. Man up. Jesus Christ, right?
Respect her. You respect her. You have,
own that shit. I fucked up. Listen, I'm no longer that man. You see, I'm putting in the work. I've proved to you now.
I believe, and what I tell these guys to do is that you shut the fuck up.
Even that too.
You literally shut the fuck up. You stop. You've done your final apology, and the apology can go something like, "Look, man, it's disrespectful for me to try to belittle you and tell you I'm never going to do this again, because why would you believe me? I completely understand the fact that I've blown every ounce of trust, respect, piece of love you have for me. Yet for some reason you're hanging on here. Number one, I think you should probably figure that out, or we should figure that out together. But all I can do at this moment, I can't fucking handle the future. I don't know what the future is going to be. I can't predict it. What I can do is I can predict the actions I take every day. And this is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to be quiet about it. I'm going to show the fuck up. And if it works, it works. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. And I think obviously when you are ready, if you're the woman, I will be on your time. And if that time never comes, then you both determine what it is there. But at least moving forward, I think either the trust comes or it doesn't come. But I think what happens is you don't have to hate each other.
Yes.